Right then, so welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is my E30 Touring that I've been restoring for the last 8 years or so. However, now we're getting to the finishing stages. So just got it back from paint. So what's next? As you probably see from the intro, it's getting the exterior together. So what's that include? The doors, the panels, all the trims, tailgate, bumpers, valance, etc. Now I haven't uploaded in about a month. And it doesn't mean that I haven't been busy. I've been extremely busy on the car and the car's practically done now. However, with the amount of footage that I've got, I'm going to split this into 3 videos. So today's video will be the exterior, the next one can be getting the engine and everything in, and the next one after that will be the interior. And the reasons why I've been very busy on the car is that I had my mate's car show at Bicester at Roll Hard, and it was in August, and this is in July. So now unfortunately with this video, there was so much work done in such a little amount of time. I think this was 2 days worth of work. There's gonna be a lot of time lapses. I'm gonna have to put music over everything as I haven't really been able to fully record everything properly. So it's not gonna be my kind of usual how-to, step by step. It's gonna be what I've been doing. So the first thing to do was to get Ant round. So Ant is one of my friends. I've been friends with him for years and he knows an E30 inside out. He's helped me so much throughout the project, whether that be the underside spraying, even taking everything apart, loads of different steps on the way. So I got him round for a couple of days to help me put everything back together because the trims, certain pieces, building the doors up, there's such a certain way to do everything. He just knows how to do it. It saves me so much time and I appreciate it every time he comes around to help me. So let's get on with this. So with the doors, getting the doors back together, when we stripped them down, I had everything separated into little trays and I was able to get stuff zinc plated, restored, painted, everything. So it was pretty simple, kind of using the different trays, tray per door, figuring out how to get it all back together. I did some sound editing inside the doors as I had some left over. I just thought it'd be a good idea just to put them in some of the panels. That made absolutely light work of all the internals, and then we were able to put the exterior trims on. But this was for going through the front and rear doors. And for now, let's do a bit of a montage. So that's all the 4 doors built up, aligned, all the trims ready on, exterior trims added. We can now move on to the bumpers. So I've obviously stripped all these down, got them painted, I've had pieces plated, and then the plastic bumper trims. So now when I removed these, I was very careful to kind of not break any of the clips, but some of them did break and there's some damage to them. So I decided to order new, as I'd have to order like one of the right side and not the left, and then be a bit of awkward spraying them. Actually turned out they're not too bad a price. I think they'll be like £30 to £50 each, which for the hassle, I thought was a really good deal. This is quite a big moment for me, getting the number plate on. So a lot of people have asked me, why do you call yourself Bad E30? It's not a bad car, but bad can mean good. But it's not that, it's that it ends in BAD, that's the original number plate to the car. With the bumpers all made up, we're able to move into the doors. I'm just waiting on some little bits to arrive to do the latch, to set the distance for the latch in. So it's simple as kind of put them on in a position, kind of in the middle, shut the door, see how it latches, and adjust as necessary. Super simple, and just needs to repeat 4 times. So with that coming to a close, it'll be the end of the video. Thank you for watching, hope you got this far. Next will be the interior, that'll be next week, and then we'll move on to the engine. So yeah, unfortunately, not as many clips as I wanted, but so much progress.